sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding. Stop. Woo. Woo. Stop.
This is a very important day in our company's journey. We are launching products in the wellness and beauty segment in the e-commerce D2C platform, and we want to bring in all the 40 years of experience we have got in understanding the needs of the consumer and giving them the best of the product and the best of the quality. And very soon all our products will reach every household in India. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much everybody for joining us today. So we are really excited about our upcoming launch. So it's been a dream for us to enter the e-commerce segment and the direct to consumer space, that too in the very popular wellness and beauty market. So everybody please wait for our website to go live. That is as well coming soon, the first week of July. I'm sure you will end up loving our brand, and our products will become a part of your lives and will be there throughout your homes. So that's our vision and mission and like all of that, to make all our consumers happy. And please do support the CoBeing, which is soon to go live online on marketplaces, websites and everywhere.
In the year 2000, it all started with a small spark. Having experience in pharma, manufacturing, marketing, sales, training and whatnot, we have always been thinking, what will we do about it? So then we thought quickly, having worked in India and international markets, we quickly thought, why not we enter into international pharma market? That has been the first point. Fortunately, we have a wide network of people in markets in our whole, and the very small idea we started to enter. Let us start with something. That's what we originally started. In fact, our starting was with the one country called Ghana in West Africa. That too with one product. Now generally when you go to the international market, the one product companies are not really entertained or encouraged. You have your own set of challenges to move up. But we started with only one product named Heptocare. That's the very first product that we launched, and it gave us an initial trust and business for us. That has given a lot of motivation to start expanding geographies, more markets and get into more number of products. That is how the first step started. Like you were talking about the 50,000 investment, we could only do one country in one product. And there began our journey of building brands. There is a sleek line of difference between many other pharma companies and what we do in the international arena is that our focus has been on building brands. We don't really sell products on prices, we don't really sell products on tenders and whatnot. Every brand speaks for itself. That has been our passion and our way of promoting the product. When we do that, the response was initially, when you do a branding, the response doesn't happen overnight. It takes years, months, for people to really appreciate, understand and accept the product. So this has been the journey. Then we tried, then we keep on moving. Then today in 2022, like you were saying, we are present in almost 41 countries. In fact, in the Western African markets, starting from Cameroon to the other end of West Africa called the Gambia, we are almost there in every market in West Africa. Almost we are present in all the markets. We are present in Southeast Asia, Caribbean markets and Central America. So we are today present in over 41 countries in the international scene. Our endeavor in the next 3 or 4 years time is to reach out to 100 such countries, again focusing on thank you. So again focusing on these international markets. So that's what Mani was explaining. There is a need for us to also focus on Indian market. Right. The other one is In the pharmaceutical exports market, the key strength for an organization is how many products you hold in the market. We are looking at around 650 products across all these markets, which is fairly a good number when you compare the reference markets. Here again, our ambition is to reach 1,000 products in the next 2 or 3 years' time. And Soundarya and teams are giving us 45 products, so we will take them all to the international market as well. And with all that, we are able to reach out a turnover of around 200 crores, which is 27 million US dollar. And this again, we are working towards, we want to become a 500 crore company in the next 3 or 4 years' time. That has been our endeavor. And we have a fantastic team to reach out that number. It is very much possible for now. So what is so great about Indus, or what is so unique about Indus? This is I would say this is a people first organization. When I say people first, for us everything is people. The entire team sitting here, all the entire team sitting outside India. We have around 20 people outside India. Different parts of the world. I think the team has made this possible because we have only 3 or 4 people on the project. So the real achievement has come from the people, and we owe you a lot. And one of the rarest things that can happen to the company is Indus is almost zero resignation rate for the past 21 years. So, one of the very personal reasons. Generally, it doesn't happen. So, I think the word people-centric really fits our companies. And we have around 160 professionals in India and also outside India, wherever we have marketing operation. The pattern is we have people from India and also we employ the local talent so that we generate employment for the country where we do business as well. The second biggest thing is customer-centric enterprises. We don't. It is like it's like a la carte. The customer can pick up the product that they want. That is the type of spread we have. What we really do is we identify the market, we identify the disease pattern of the market, we identify what exactly the customers or patients need there, and design a product like that, and see whether that product can also go into other markets. This has been our way of product nutrition.
Now is a most difficult question. And then what else to do now? And then finally we'll end up in, okay, let's add 1 more country, 2 more country, 3 more country. Like that we have come up to that 40 more countries. Yes, sure we'll do that 100 off. That's for sure. So what else to do? That is what we have been thinking. And that's where we have landed up today. Okay, and see, I'll tell you, I'll start by like this, because I love wellness and all. I always talk about nutrition. Yes, I always talk about food. So, I also love doctors because they have that wonderful opportunity of being along with human beings and helping them. I wouldn't like to call them as patients. You know what doctors first do? If you have noticed their prescriptions, every prescription is made up of 2 things. One is called a specific therapy. The first 2 products will be specific therapy. The 3, 4, 5 will be called adjuvant therapy. The specific therapy, it should be always filled with medicines. Okay, the real medicines. Only a doctor can prescribe. And the 3, 4, 5, it's all adjuvants. That is where our market is. This business is getting into what you call an OTC type of business. You cannot come into the first and second products because that belongs to the doctors. You have to go to the doctor, for example, you have a diarrhea. Immediately he prescribes the ciprofloxacin, ofloxacin. This is 1 and 2. After that, there are some probiotics, oral rehydration salts, ORS. Those are all coming under the other side, especially the probiotics. So, our chances to get closer to the patient through these is especially for the 3, 4, 5 and not for the 1 and 2. So let me clarify that first. There are certain products you cannot go directly to the patient, and it's better not to, because we are not here to diagnose them and we cannot diagnose them. Right. Getting back to the reasons why, what we thought. First thing is, we were always outside. And first thing we observed is the market size is so big, and we really got attracted. Let me tell you. Almost USD 42 billion is the what you call the domestic market size of all products put together. And this wellness alone is around 6 billion. So there is a big share. So this 3, 4, 5 has got a lot of business also. So that made us think, okay, let's do something in the local market. So market size made us think like this. Number one reason. Number two reason is our experience in pharma market. You know, each one of us have put about 40 years experience, 30, 40 like that. What are we doing? Let's do something in the local business also. So our experience in the pharma industry is the second reason. The third reason is our experience in that 3, 4, 5. The adjuvant market is too big. If we go through our product range, we are more into nutrition, we are more into cough syrups and all. So we are more into the OTC segment. So why not we jump into this? So this was another reason, a very, very strong reason. Because we found